So successfully logged in and it's generated 4 images of pigs flying. Let's see what they look like. Woo! We have actual pigs flying in the sky. So everyone's been talking about Meta's new AI chatbot, but what exactly is it? If you want to know, click the like and subscribe icons and watch this video to the end to find out not only what Meta AI chatbot is, but how to use it as well. So Meta recently launched a significant update that integrates its AI chatbot, Meta AI, previously known as BlenderBot, into Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Meta AI is a large language model similar to a tool like ChatGPT. You must be familiar with ChatGPT. And if you want me to do a comparison between ChatGPT and Meta AI, comment ChatGPT versus Meta AI below. Meta AI is designed to provide factual information and summaries based on its vast knowledge base. It can compose different kinds of creative text contents like poems, codes, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, etc. It can even hold conversations that simulate interaction with a real person. Meta AI used a significant amount of data to train its models. The training data for Meta AI included hundreds of billions of publicly shared images, tens of billions of public videos, and large numbers of public text posts from Facebook and Instagram. Now let's drop all that geeky stuff and look at how to use the Meta AI. I am Olanrewaju Adeniyi, and this is Technovate. Number 1 is the search function. The most straightforward way to interact with Meta AI is through the search function in Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or Instagram. Make sure your app is up to date before you try this. Now let's try the first one for Facebook. So I'm opening Facebook right now. As you can see this blue icon, I'm hovering over right now. You can see my cursor over that blue icon there. Now that's the Meta AI logo. And you can simply click the search bar and ask it anything. Or say planet Earth. It says according to scientific estimates, the planet Earth is approximately 4.54 billion years old. And a lot more details here. See, that's an interesting fact. Thank you very much. It's like interacting with someone else. It's like interacting with an individual. Oh, you're welcome. It was a pleasure assisting you. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance. Have a great day. That's cool. So it's not available on Facebook Lite, only on the full Facebook version. Now let's try the same thing for WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your phone and click on the search bar. How old is Tom Cruise? Tom Cruise was born on July 3rd, 1962. It's giving me his full name, his nickname, his height, occupation, notable works, spouses. Well, this is a lot of information. I like this about the Meta AI. It's like having to search the web without opening any form of browser. It's integrated right into your chats. And for the last one here, let's check out Instagram. How to make pancakes. Making a pancake is a breeze. Well, it's giving me a full recipe here. Ingredients, instructions, tips. Enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes. So we've covered how to use it on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. The second method on how to use Meta AI is using the @ symbol. @ as in techperson@gmail.com. In some cases, you can directly interact with Meta AI within chats on WhatsApp and Messenger. You type the @ symbol followed by Meta AI and then your question up front. So let's try that now. Using the @ function at Meta AI, how to make omelets, and it's a delicious topic. Making omelets is a breeze and I'll be happy to guide you through it. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, and it's got a bunch of instructions here to follow. I've heard that some Android models don't have access to use this function on their WhatsApp yet, but I'm not sure why. But you could try the Facebook or Instagram routes on your mobile phone. And if none of that works, there's a third option, the Meta AI website. Meta AI also has a dedicated website, meta.ai, where you can interact with it directly through a chat interface, and this allows you to explore its capabilities in more detail without being confined to specific prompts within social media platforms. It can be used with or without a login. That's meta.ai. The downside of not logging in is that your conversation history will not be saved. Write me a poem. No, I want to continue without logging. Without logging in. So it appears I would have to confirm my age just to finish. Let's say I was born 2010, right? That seems fine. Right? Acceptable. So write me a poem, yeah. Watch the screen. Here's a short poem. Rays of sunshine filter through the air, a gentle breeze that's beyond compare. The world awakens, fresh and new, a day of promise waiting for you, and so on and so forth. The fourth way to use Meta AI is through image generation. Images can be generated on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, on Instagram, and on the website as well. Simply put the slash symbol followed by imagine and then your prompt or text. Multiple types of images can be easily generated using this method. Let's try that now on PC. So /imagine pigs flying. Let's try that out. It appears I cannot generate any image without logging in. So that's another downside to not logging in. Aside from not being able to save your conversation history, I can also not create any images. So let's log in. So successfully logged in, and it's generated 4 images of pigs flying. Let's see what they look like. Woo! We have actual pigs flying in the sky. And they all have wings. Doesn't this defy physics? This defies the very laws of nature. Okay, now we can generate images. You know how to do that. The same thing is applicable on your WhatsApp. Let me show you how to do it. Grab your phones quickly. Slash, then imagine. Oh, it's already there. Imagine what? What do you want to imagine? Imagine crocodiles flying. Now that's an image I want to see. Yo, this is creepy. Can you see that? They are not as impressive as the pigs flying. They look creepy, but yeah, this is close to what I imagine it to look like. So I noticed the major difference now while using the image generator on phone and on PC. The PC's own is going to generate 4 different images for you at once, giving you multiple options to choose from. But with the WhatsApp mobile, it's just giving me one image. I'd have to give it another text prompt to generate another image. You can also generate images on Instagram. And on the PC, you can even animate them. Let's animate the pigs flying. Let's try that. Animate. Oh boy. Whoa. This is like a fairy tale thing, man. Look at pigs flying. Pigs are literally flying in GIF. Woo! It comes with a tiny shortcoming though, and that's the watermark. But not to worry, watch this video I made right here on how to remove watermarks from any image for free. Now, what to expect from Meta AI? You see, Meta AI changes social media sites by making it easier to find information. It's encouraging creativity and improving relationships. You need to keep in mind that while it's still in its early stages of research, Meta AI has the potential to make mistakes and misunderstand user questions. It creates privacy problems due to the amount of data it handles, so you have to be wary of sharing any personal information during conversations. Overall, Meta AI's integration represents a significant step towards making social media platforms more informative and interactive. While it's not a perfect replacement for human interaction or traditional search engines, it offers a new way to access information and potentially enhance your social media experience. And that's all I have for you on how to use the Meta AI. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media pages. I'm Olariwaju Adeniyi, and see you next time.